Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video. Hi. So I got this the other day and I'm excited. I wanted to do an unboxing. So oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna be bringing to you guys a lot of baking videos. But yeah, I wanted to unbox this guy with you guys and see what it's all about. So let's do this. I'm gonna be baking a cake today for my sister, so I'm like, let's do this and open it up. I've had it like for a week already, and I'm like, I haven't opened it, so these guys are opening it with me. So I'm new to the YouTube community. My name's Vero, and I'm gonna be bringing a lot more videos. So if you guys are interested, subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a lot of baking videos. Probably just vlogging like when I'm out or doing stuff, and then also my weight loss journey, keto meal prepping for sure. I want to learn how to do that too. So that's what I'm going to be doing on my diet. And then makeup tutorials. I like to do makeup, maybe some try on hauls. So if you guys are interested in anything that you guys would want me to do, you can leave a comment down below. I'm nervous. Okay, so, but I do go live on YouTube. I mean on Facebook, I'm sorry. My channel is Shy City Creations, and I do sell makeup on there. I do makeup lives, I do giveaways. Well, I'm about to start doing giveaways because I'm barely new to it too. So if you guys want to go follow me over there, it's Shy City Creations. Shy City Creations. So it's CHI City CITY and then Creations. And like and follow because I do post go live on there a lot of the time just doing makeup looks, but yeah, so let's get this thing open. Okay, it's just a little pamphlet and all the things you can do with it. First time owning a mixer. I usually use the handheld mixers. Let me get this bad boy out. Okay, so there's an attachment. A manual. I got the little whisk. It's not a whisk, it's a this thing is heavy. I'm all in the way. can drop it down. Take the bowl out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The balloon whisk. Okay, I don't want to break this, so I'm gonna take that off. I'm guessing this is for attachments. I'm gonna be making frosting today, so I'm gonna use this thing. Yes, I am. Well, hold on, something I'm seeing right here. Alright. There's a little clip in the back. You have to have it lined up or else it'll be lopsided. And it comes with 2 attachments, 3, and the balloon whisk. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Now let's try it out. Okay, let me get the scissors real quick. And I'm a first time baker. I mean, I've been doing cakes for quite a bit, but I just do them for my family, basically. I have charged a few ladies before, to the public a couple of times, and I just really haven't got my business out there like that again. So I'm starting out new again and having to build my clientele and stuff. But I'm in San Antonio. I make my cakes, and I make the frosting from scratch. I can make, and I like doing the fondant work and the gum paste. So yeah, this is gonna help me out a lot. I'm so excited because I usually use the hand mixer, and I'm like, this was on sale, guys. I got it for a great deal. Came out to $239 with tax, and it's usually $430 something. So I'm like, no, I gotta get it. And yeah, oh my gosh, let's try it. I don't know, I don't like my. Let me try it. Okay, I don't have an extension cord, so. Yeah, I'm excited. I wanted to do the unboxing with you guys, but once I get everything going, and right now I'm recording on my phone, so I have my camera. I was gonna record here, but I still need to get a laptop because I need to upload my videos to a laptop for YouTube. So right now I'm gonna be recording through my phone, bringing some mukbangs, some cooking lives, and if you guys want to see anything else, I'll be more than willing and interested to bring whatever you guys even want to see. And I definitely can cook, so I'll bring those lives to you guys, those YouTube videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.